In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your mobile phone camera in OBS. So first of all, what we want to do is go to this website called reincubate/camo. The software itself is called Camo. So then from here, you want to download it for Windows. And that's going to download the Camo application. You want to install it on your computer and set it up. Now, on your iPhone or whatever device you're using, you also want to install the Camo app. Now from here, I'm going to go onto Camo. This is the Camo app here, loading up. And this is what it should look like once you're inside. At the moment it says no devices connected. In order for this to work, you need to either connect your device with USB or connect it to the same Wi-Fi and do it via Wi-Fi. Now, if you connect it to a USB, make sure it's a data cable. So a USB-C will work, but some cables that are not data cables will not work. So make sure you're using a data cable. Once you plug it in, go onto your phone, open up the Camo app, and then it's going to show your camera what your camera's seeing in here, like this. That's step one. Now step two, you want to go into OBS here, and there is a thing called video capture. You want to go onto video capture here, make a new source of video capture, and I'm going to go to properties, and for the device you want to set it to Camo. Now when you've got your device connected and the camera all set up and it's running on your phone, then it's going to show up here. You can increase the size of this, you can crop it, all of that good stuff. And that's how you do it. Now I'd recommend getting yourself a tripod and stuff like that so that it stands up, because the phones are hard to balance on random objects. But that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.